We're looking now at a mid-19th century lithographed map depicting the Civil War military operations that occurred in the United States. This is a very interesting map for a number of reasons. It appeared within a book that was sold by private book agents traveling around on horseback or foot to try to get subscribers. And it was printed on a thin bond paper, banknote paper. The map was originally done by the Colton firm, but it's been amended. The plate has been amended to include this extensive chronological table at the lower right. And it's also has original hand color. All of the red dots illustrate where the battlefields were, the key battles or the important battles of the Civil War. This top portion of the map here in the plate has had the publisher's imprint for the source of the map added. And there's a little annotation that says agents wanted to sell this. So this is Treat and Company is the publisher of this map that purchased or used Colton's plate. And up here we see a promotional imprint from the Colton firm promoting their business in New York as well. As you can see, the map has various wrinkles. These fold lines are original. The map was issued folded. And you can see it's in very good physical shape. The paper is. It's without any visible repairs. And with some pressing, it could be pressed completely flat. And it's a very nice example with original hand color. And it's currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.